to Daytona Beach to drive down the beach.
Nick is super excited.
Yeah. It's normally we wouldn't get stuck with the truck, but since we have the camper, which is really heavy, it'll be a little bit different. So
look at that, it's the ocean. So happy to be here.
We almost made it down the whole coast from Maine. Definitely happy not to be back in Ohio.
Yeah. We're going on the beach. Wow, pretty cool. Cleaning the truck camper today for the first time. So we're getting ready to wash the truck camper for the first time since we've had it. Who knows how long it's been since it's been washed. We don't know when the last time the last owner washed it. It's been just standing in her yard for years. So it's probably been years since this lovely camper had a good washing. Today's the day.
So the truck is all dirty also, and look how dirty the camper is. It has a bunch of green stuff that grew on it. It just looks really bad. Look at the truck.
Yeah, it's filthy.
It's hard to see, but you can see like all the green moss that grew.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see how. Because before this we were remodeling it, and then we've been traveling for a few months full time. So we haven't had a chance to wash it, but you can see how green everything is. So look how green everything is. So hopefully this stuff washes off. That looks really bad. That looks really bad. And before that, yeah, I stood in the lady's yard, so I'm thinking it hasn't been washed for probably 5 years at least, maybe more.
And we are trying to wash the roof.
Look how dirty the roof is. Before we couldn't wash it because we were siliconing it. We didn't want to wash it again. And then after that we left and started traveling. We didn't get time to do it yet. Look how bad this looks. It's crazy. So I'm done washing the roof. It's not perfect. To get it perfect, I think you need to probably soak it with some kind of cleaner and scrub it more or something. Probably just clean it because I already scrubbed it. But it's a lot better than it was before for sure. Now I'm gonna go down, start doing the downstairs. attaches to the silicone, or not silicone, the caulking really bad. I thought it'd be better than that. It's like the ProFlex one. It's a professional one.
It's already black.
But it's already black. It's been like 3 months. Do an arm workout?
Yeah. Yeah, it said it's an RV wash, but like the stick is not long enough to reach the top.
The roof is short.
You can't get on the roof and wash it. You can't maneuver around with this cord because the camper's so tall, it like shortens the length of it. It's just really not that much of an RV car wash.
You're just gonna find anything else though.
Yeah.
I guess it'll be a little bit better than it was. Scrub out these pretty much light chains, I think. These gray dots. You have to scrub them for a bit. Yeah, they scrub off, yeah.
But you have to do it longer than the car wash lets you, so we should try to do it before.
You look so small compared to a truck and camper. Switch. Yeah, it's not possible to reach anything out there.
Not the bottom there. It's too hard for me to do that. Because I don't have any upper body strength.
really clean, and the green stuff is on camper. But yeah, to make it nice, you probably just have to